Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank to all the hosts of this event and the organization team. I am Joana Bispo and I am an architect and urban planner from Brazil, and today I'm representing the municipality of Teresina. And without any further ado, I will be sharing our mission and the projects that we are implementing here. So, Teresina 2030 is both a department and a sustainable development strategy of the municipality of Teresina. And to locate us in the globe, we let our anthem introduce us. So Teresina shines under the equator sun. And indeed, maybe too much. Teresina has a semi-arid tropical climate with high temperatures and low humidity, and unfortunately our city is getting hotter at a rate that is twice faster than the global average. And then we asked ourselves, what can we do about it? So our commitment is to guide Teresina towards a more resilient and sustainable future, monitoring our progress through open data and connecting people and ideas to achieve our vision of a common future. So one of our first initiatives was aligning our actions to the SDGs. So to monitor our progress, we had to know where we stood. And then we took the 264 actions from the local agenda and aligned them to the SDGs, and then checked to know which of them were completed, ongoing, and to be started. When it comes to ongoing projects, we have the Observatory of Transport, and this project is funded by the program Euroclima Plus of the European Union. And the project proposes the use of technologies to promote transparency and efficiency in the management of public transportation. And it also involves raising awareness for sustainable mobility and monitoring greenhouse gas emissions from the transport sector. And for a quick summary of what has been done so far, the municipality has been working with the implementing agency and the consultancy team to assess the current situation of the public transport, identify and prioritize the main problems, and also solutions and technologies that could solve them. So in the end, our last step will be documenting the lessons learned and defining the pilot implementation strategy. The next project is the Integrated Sustainable Development Project, and it's part of the program City Nova 2. And it's a partnership with the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, the United Nations Environmental Program, the City of Teresina and Timon, and WRI Brazil. And it's financed by the Global Fund for the Environment. This project aims to support Teresina and the other cities of the metropolitan region in the preparation and implementation of integrated urban planning. And regarding that, it is expected an output of having an integrated metropolitan digital platform and the integration of plans such as the Climate Action Plan and the Urban Mobility Plan. Also, it involves an environmental diagnosis of the region with the construction of baselines for the biodiversity and the pilot project aiming at reducing the emission of greenhouse gases, creating a low emission zone. So the next project is the Women for Climate Teresina, and it is about increasing awareness about the challenges and opportunities of 3 groups of women in high vulnerability to climate change. So it was a participatory methodology implemented through StatsLab Masterclass from Fontes University. So the workshop resulted in 3 solutions for each group of women: the urban gardeners, the ceramists, and the recyclers. And all of them are now being further developed in order to be ready for financing. And lastly, we have the City Resilience Global Program in partnership with UN Habitat. And through this program, we have already been able to access and measure the city resilience status, and now we are going towards the development of an action plan with the strategies oriented to build a more resilient future to Teresina. The first product, which is the City Resilience Profile, it's already available on our platforms on ISU, and also in the website of the Urban Resilience Hub. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.